Today I'm going to show you how to make some wonton sausage bites, or as Tyson calls them,
sausage stars.
Sausage stars. One of the only recipes that he likes of his ex-wife. You will need the following things. Half a pound of mild sausage, 2 cups of Colby Jack cheese. You'll need a half a green pepper, a half a red pepper, and a bunch of green onions chopped, 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, and wonton wrappers. I have put the wonton wrappers into the muffin pan, and I've put them in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes already, creating this beautiful shape. Isn't that gorgeous, everybody? Yeah, gorge.
Listen, they taste great.
How do you know about them? How did the old friend find out about these?
They look like little stars.
Do you have this at church? Have you ever made these?
You get a brown?
You're gonna brown your sausage.
You mean, so it won't be pink?
That's right, you want it to be cooked.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna take your onions and your peppers, and you're gonna put it in the sausage mixture. Then you put your cheese in.
You want a little bite in them, you know?
Then you put your cheese in, and then you put your ranch dressing. I mean, easy. This would be such
an easy thing, cheese.
So these are great little recipe
Let me
ideas
help you
for
with this.
football season.
Oh, well, you know what? The Super Bowl should be on its way. This is a great dish for the Super Bowl.
It's a great Super Bowl dish.
Yeah.
I mean, let's be honest. It's a great Sunday afternoon.
Because Pittsburgh
I'm
is
so
going to the Super
lonely.
Bowl.
This tastes delicious dish.
How about we didn't see that? I'm telling you,
Now you got to put it in the muffins.
Yeah, we need a scooper. We need a spoon, some type of.
Oh, I got to sneeze. Hold on.
Okay, I'm glad that was not over there.
Now the problem I'm seeing already is that this is a lot of filling. I guess you keep putting the stars in.
Yeah, you just got to keep it going.
Yeah, but what am I gonna do with all this now?
You got to keep it going.
We're not gonna keep this going.
It's for a party, okay?
I know, I understand that we're pretending.
We're pretending.
But listen, what am I gonna do the rest of this after our shoot?
Okay.
Okay, so then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your oven at 350, and you're gonna bake these for a certain amount of time.
How about what time?
Hey, can we talk about wontons? What the heck is a wonton? You know what I mean?
Everybody loves a wonton. You love wonton soup, right?
Yeah. I think what wontons are, what they look like to me, if you don't mind.
I think they're noodles.
They're noodles, just sheets, right?
Sheets of noodles.
It's a sheet of noodle.
You know, a noodle was a sheet before it was cut into a noodle.
I know that. I don't think I knew about this the way that I should have, and I want to get into this. I love dumplings and ravioli and like all that stuff.
So you think wontons is your new thing?
I think it might be.
That's right, because we believe in international relations.
You've got to stop with the international friends. Oh my God, that's good. Oh my God.
The wonton is everything, but the wonton is not important.
Oh my God.
It's like a little pizza.
Going forward,
you know,
I will always listen to things that you want to make.
This is so good. Thank you.
See, look at that.
Thank you.
Man, your dad just gave us a whip of the hair, and his hair is short. So that's
A whip and a snap.
It was a whip, like a.
Take these away from me. Take it away. Take it away. It's too much.
Nope.
Get it away. This is the devil's work.